Hello friends, today I'm gonna share the information about how to manage the virtual machines. There is a three tasks to manage the virtual machine. First is unregistered virtual machine, second is the registered one, and the third one is create a snapshot. First we perform the unregistered virtual machine. For unregistered virtual machine, which means that we are removing virtual machine from the inventory, but we can get it from our data store. For this purpose, first we have to create a virtual machine. For this purpose, you have right click on your host and select the option new virtual machine, and here you have first click on next, and then you have to specify the name of your virtual machine. Like I give virtual machine 11, and after that you have to select the location for your virtual machine, and I select the Lab-15 folder and click next, and select your host and then your data store, and make sure and always remember which data store you are choose for your virtual machine. I select data store 1 and then click on next, and here you have to customize the hardware for your virtual machine. So this is a kind of dummy virtual machine, so I don't need a lot of memory and a lot of hard disk over here, so I just give this and click next, and now finish. You can see the process over here. It will take some time to create a new virtual machine. Now it's created. You can see the result into the left pane. Yes, now it's loading. Yeah, you can see the virtual machine 11 is created. Now we are right click on this machine. If it's now it's already power off, but if it's power on, then please keep power off before removing it from inventory. Now select the option remove from inventory, then click yes. This is all about unregistered virtual machine. So you can see the process over here on a registered virtual machine, and this will take some time. Now yes, now you can see there is no machine 11 into my left tab. So now the next step is the registered virtual machine. For suppose you are removing virtual machine from inventory accidentally, and you want again the same virtual machine. For this purpose, you don't need to create it again. You can retrieve it from the data store. For this purpose, you have to go to the vCenter, and then you have to go to the data stores, and here you need to select the same data store where you create your virtual machine. I selected data store 1, and then go to the files, and then you see all the files over here. You can see the machine 11 folder is also here. When you click on this, you can see all the files into the machine 11, and the one file is the type is virtual machine. When you right click on this, then you get the option registered VM. Now click on registered VM. Yes, here you give the name to your virtual machine, like I give the 111, and then you have to specify the location, then click next, and the host, then click next and finish it. Now you can go back to your home, host and cluster, and now you can see your virtual machine. Yes, the virtual machine is 11.1 here. This is all about the registered virtual machine. Now we next and the last task is creating a snapshot. Why we need to create a snapshot? A snapshot is like to create a duplicate copy of your virtual machine, with the same state. You can use this virtual machine rather than creating new virtual machines. For this purpose, you have just right click on your virtual machine and then select the option take snapshot. And here you have to give the name of your snapshot, like I give machine. Yes, and here you can add any description about this snapshot and then click OK. Now this process takes some time to complete it, and after that there is no any option to see the newly created snapshot. For this purpose, we need to again go to the machines, click right and select the option manage snapshot. Here you can see your newly created snapshot machine and here is the another three option, and they revert to, which means that you again convert your snapshot to virtual machine. If I click on revert to, then you see this message, current state of virtual machine will be lost unless it is saved in a snapshot. Revert to the snapshot machine, click yes and then close. Now it's again converted into the virtual machine. So you are now again click on virtual machine and select the option manage snapshot, and now you can select the just this one, manage snapshot. Yes, now you can click on delete to delete the snapshot, then click yes, then close it. This is all about how to manage virtual machines. Thanks for watching.